Hello guys, I know in the last video I told you that in this video we will learn how we make finally the decisions or teach our program to make decisions. But before we should do that, we should have one video about logical operators. And what are logical operators? There are only two and one additional, that is AND, OR is the second, and the additional is negating our question. So for showing you this, let's make here some variables again. We make x is 5, that's okay. And then we have here our condition. And our condition should be, we have here an evaluation, for example, again, evaluation. And our condition should be that x is larger than 0. And I want to check that it's smaller than 10 because I only want to have numbers between 0 and 10. And that I can do with the AND. And for this I use 2 times this AND sign here in Julia. And then I just write x smaller 10. And this only will be true if both is fulfilled, means x larger than 0 and x smaller or less than 10. That we can print now, print line, evaluation. Correct. This we run now here, Julia, logical operators.jl, and we have a true here. And then we can also do the same with an OR. For this I just write again, evaluation is x larger than 0, greater than 0, and OR is 2 times this sign here, and x is less than 4. And here we see this is right, but this is wrong. Anyway, it will tell us here that our evaluation is true because only one of both has to be fulfilled. And now we have also our negotiation. We know it already from the comparison. In the comparison we can just write evaluation is x not 5. This means x should not be 5. Is similar to this sign here, ne. And now we can make this completely wrong, the other way around, and we just put an exclamation mark in front of it. That we can put through everywhere. We can also write x larger than 5 or greater than 5. And then here we have, we say x greater than 5, that would be false. And since we have, since we negate it, it means we get in true. That we can also run now, and here we get in true because it's exactly this condition. This means also if we have a string, for example, we call it name is Tom again, then we check here in our evaluation is name equal Tom, and we make here an exclamation mark. Then we have here the name is equal Tom, yes, should be true, and then we negate it, so we get in false. If we run it now, false. And that's it, what you have to know for logical operators in Julia. And finally, next time we teach our program how to make decisions and how to think. Until then, see you, bye.